Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about animated bar chart. I have added the animated bar chart race from the custom visuals. You could get the visuals from this get more visuals and marketplace. You could search for animated bar chart race and you could add it. Here I have already added, so I'm clicking on animated bar chart race. So here is my empty visual. Here we can see that there are different fields: name, value, period, like all those things. Currently we could see the category uh, related sales. Okay, and I'm just dragging. Either you could click or you could drag in order wise with respect to the category and sales to view it. And if I want to view like with respect to period, since we need that animation bar chart, I'll drag the order date as soon as in the period. You could see that animation has started on day wise basis. You could see this day wise. It is 1 2 3 4, like it is moving on. And if we remove that day in the hierarchy, you could see that it will move on monthly basis. And if you like want to see on the quarter basis, you could see on the quarter basis. And if you want to see on the year basis, you could see on the year basis. In on the year basis it is much more clear. Like I'll keep with respect to year. And let us see how it runs with respect to the formatting. And how could we more utilize the features of animated bar chart trees in the visual. In the visualization settings, you could see this visualization settings. Here I have mentioned only the top 10. You could even mention the top 5. Now here you could see you are getting only the top 5 categories with respect to sales. Duration, if you want to increase the speed or decrease the speed, you could do it. Suppose that I wanted to decrease the speed of movement, what I could do is I could increase the duration to 1500. So here you could see year wise, it is moving gradually. Autoplay, if you turn it off, actually it does not play automatically. If you like turn it on, it will play out like automatically in the animation. You could input your font. You could increase your font size. As you could see, the category, categories font size is increasing. You could there there is a grid behind it where there are vertical lines. You could even remove it. You can Now I have removed those grid lines. Now if you want, you can show the grid lines. You could hide the numbers. I want the numbers. If you hide it, it won't show the numbers. I want the numbers, so I keep it like that. And you can hide the even period also, but it doesn't make sense. How do you know that how it is varying? So we need this period. And you could increase the period size also, like this one you could increase to, as you could see, this 2000 year, it's the period size is increasing gradually. Yeah, you could even decrease it. And these are like basic settings of animated bar chart. And you could utilize it in various scenarios based upon the data we have. So this is animated bar chart. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.